Hello everyone, my name is Mayra Vasquez and today I want to explain you how to use an amazing tool. This tool is perfect if you are interested in practice or improve your reading skills. So Neil Millington created dreamreader.net to help teachers and also students to practice or improve their reading skill. So I want to show you how to access to this website. So let's here. Okay, sorry. Here. Okay, let me type dreamreader.net. Okay, so this is the website. Okay, and you can find a different type of articles. Also, here in this, you can find easy English, interesting English, fun, practical, academic. So you have different options. Okay, and also you can find here more options. I mean, they have a lot of types of categories of reading. For example, if you're interested in music, places and travel, people, culture, sports, movies, I mean, any kind. If you are low intermediate, if you are a beginner, if you are advanced. Okay, for example, I want to read about the world of Lego, so I just click here and immediately I can see I can read here. Okay, I can read. If I'm not sure about the pronunciation of a word, or also if I want to hear the pronunciation, the complete article, I just click here.
Lego is a popular toy construction set. Lego toys are a set of plastic bricks. You can put the bricks together to make new things. Kids can build vehicles, buildings, and even working robots from them.
Okay, at the end, you can take this quiz. It's a short quiz, but you can check your comprehension, and that's good. It's for beginners, and also it's good to practice. So I recommend this tool because you have these two amazing. For example, the video and the quiz for me is very good because I can check my comprehension and I can check my the pronunciation of the word. So I want to end saying dreamreader.net is an excellent tool to practice or improve our reading skill. Thank you so much. See you later.